Hi, my name is Doug Goldstein with Profile Investment Services here in Jerusalem. I work with people in Israel who have U.S. investment accounts, and I put together these 4-minute money videos to teach one idea specifically meant for people in Israel handling their U.S. investment accounts. There's a lot more information that you can get at my website, profile-financial.com, so please check it out if you're watching this video here on YouTube. And if you have any specific questions, there's a Contact Us button right at the profile-financial.com website. I'd love to hear what's going on with you and start a conversation. Let's talk today about how to really make money in your IRA. Hi, I'm Doug Goldstein. I'm a cross-border investment advisor. I'm based in Jerusalem, but I help people with their U.S. brokerage and IRA accounts. If you have any questions about what you hear today, please feel free to get in touch with me. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. Now, when you withdraw money from your IRA, or by the way, if you inherited an individual retirement account from someone and you take the yearly distributions, don't fool yourself. Just because you withdraw money from a retirement account does not mean that you actually made money. Rather, you might just be pulling out your principal. Here's how to tell the difference and why it matters. Since I work with American citizens living in Israel who have retirement accounts in the States, I'm going to use an example that I see a lot. Once an American turns 70 and a half years old, if he has money in a traditional IRA, he must begin to take out what are called required minimum distributions. We refer to them as RMDs, required minimum distributions. That simply means he needs to take out a certain amount of money every year. The IRS mandates this withdrawal because they have never earned any taxes off this money, and they want to make sure that they get some tax revenue before the person dies. Here's an example of an IRA distribution. Let's say a $500,000 portfolio is invested in simple savings accounts that earn 0%. If the required distribution is $10,000, someone might withdraw that money and spend it as though it's income. It's true that he will be taxed on the withdrawal as if it were income, but he did not actually make any money from the investment. Rather, he just took out principal. You have to ask yourself, is there something better you can do? Can you actually invest money in an IRA? Instead of making almost 0%, he could have invested the money through a self-directed individual retirement account. Had he chosen, for example, simply to buy certificates of deposit, CDs, in a bank, and if he made, let's say, 2% on them, the $10,000 distribution would have actually been money that he earned from his investments, rather than drawing down his principal. Doesn't that sound like a better deal? If you'd like to find out about buying FDIC-insured CDs while you live in Israel, or if you have questions about your IRA account, feel free to call my office. The number here is 02-624-2788, or of course, feel free to send me an email. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. Before you do any investing, please make sure you read our complete disclaimer at www.profile-financial.com/disclaimer.